of Integrative Machine Computer Configuration Recommendations. PF software installation. Enter activation code. ID or enter the activation ID. Activation succeeded. Automatic network synchronization. Open PF software. Add printer model. You can select Direct Printing or rip to the specified folder. Here I choose Print Direct Connection. Add PF curve. Find the curve position and add. After added successfully, return to PF software. Set print paper size. Add print file. Insert picture. Reduce the reading page. Resize picture. Set spot color printing WEWR and set the amount of white ink. Select the path curve. You can add print labels. Open the print control software and click Online. Wait a few seconds to automatically go online. Online successfully. Return to the print layout page and click Submit. The loading status is displayed here. You can print while read.